You're my object of affection, my drug of choice, my sick obsession.
So with the bird,
what should
what should I level it up? Should I level up the weight?
Speed.
I'm about to die.
Is your fortitude up?
Yeah, it's like, oh no, it's not.
You remember you restarted your character?
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna die on my bird when my bird is landed.
Why
I didn't
are you
want
gonna
it
die?
because I am
Because she
cold.
forgot to throw her fortitude back up.
Your little bird's so fucking fast. What have you been boosting the speed?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on.
Dad, I wish you could see how this bird moves.
Where is it? Where's my bird?
Right in front of us.
Okay, good. All right,
Vegan.
let's go. Let's go.
Vegan, land the bird and run around.
Okay. Ain't no one got time for Okay, can we go now? Yeah. Can we go now? Like,
Vegan, you need to like get your stuff together.
Holy shit. Oh my god! Holy
guys, I'm gonna beat
Yo,
all
I
of you.
kinda just wanna put one of my fucking birds that high just
Oh god,
because.
please don't. I'm having trouble flying. I want it to go so fast.
Your bird looks like it did 4 lines of cocaine.
It did.
More than that, like the fucking whole bag.
Like, watch us. Wait.
A whole kilo.
Wait. Oh shit. Fuck. Just land. Oh my god, bird. Bird, just
Your
land.
bird's gonna have a fucking heart attack, and we're gonna have to tame you another one.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Now I'm gonna get on my slow bird, compared to Vegan's crack bird.
I lost you.
All you would see was just a poof of feathers.
Pretty much.
You guys are like,
And then Vegan
Oh.
saying, oh my
Vegan.
god.
Go up with
I got you. Yeah.
it'll only take you 2 seconds to catch up.
Yeah, I know. I'm already there.
Holy shit, Vegan.
How are you gonna land on the platform?
Oh my god.
Exactly.
Okay. All right. Let me.
And then you're
I'm
adding.
curious.
Oh my god. Like my bird's going so fast. It's like glitching. Like everything's like.
I see
Try
that.
pressing the
Holy
trigger in.
Fuck.
Try pressing the trigger in to slow down.
Nope.
You just need to go slower. Don't take your time.
I see this bird just go.
I'm trying
Take your
so
time.
hard.
Hover if you have to. Just hover. Hover.
Visa,
Or
I
fly off the
can't do
cliff.
this. Visa, I. Damn it!
You got this.
We left you the biggest platform right here, Vegan. It's right here.
I know. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm coming. Oh my god, just turn without being on crack, please. Listen, Vegan, you have a problem.
Holy fuck.
Oh my god!
I see it now.
Can I just shoot it down?
No! Oh my god, wait. Okay, hold on, wait. I'm gonna try to like.
I got my fabricated sniper rifle out.
Don't even try it. Wait, okay, hold on. I'm coming.
I
in.
wouldn't
Images
even
can't
probably
even
be
load
able to
in.
fucking hit it. Like, you're just going like crack bird.
Yeah, right there, Vegan. Perfect.
I know.
Right underneath the building.
Okay.
You gotta be.
No! Just land!
Just press A. Don't even move. Just press
Wait.
A.
No.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, leave it there. It's fine. No!
Okay, I'm done.
What are you doing?
No, I'm
Leave
done.
it.
I'm done. Just please. Just let me get.
I want.
Oh my god, please let me go inside.
It's showing its
Press
butthole
the yellow
for the
button.
birds.
Press the yellow button. I want to try. I want to see this. Press
Oh my
the yellow
god.
button.
You have fun trying to get back on the base. That's not my problem anymore. Oh wow, guys. This is just...
Yeah. Oh, BT dubs, they stuck you in a cube inside a cube inside a cube inside a cube.
Hi, well, I'm out.
What? Do that again.
Okay. Oh. Oh, I can't do it again. That's cool. Kind of cool though, right?